Hey everyone, I'm Mel. Today we're talking about something that comes up a lot when it's time to upgrade your brakes. What's the difference between standard rotors and drilled or slotted rotors? If you're looking to upgrade your brake setup, I'll explain everything you need to know to get the right rotors for your ride. Let's start with standard rotors, also called smooth rotors. These are the most common type, a solid flat surface where the brake pad makes full contact. How do they work? When you hit the brakes, the pad clamps down on that smooth surface, converting motion into heat and slowing the vehicle. The pros are they're quiet, long-lasting, and affordable. They're ideal for daily drivers in normal conditions. The cons are they can hold more heat under heavy braking and they may glaze over in high-performance use. So for most cars and drivers, a standard rotor does the job perfectly: smooth stops, minimal noise, and solid durability. Next up, we have drilled rotors. These have holes drilled through the surface designed to help vent heat, gas, and water away from the braking area. The benefits are they have a better heat dissipation under light to moderate use, improved wet weather braking, and a sporty appearance. The drawbacks are the holes can weaken the rotor slightly under extreme stress. They're more prone to cracking during aggressive driving or racing. So drilled rotors are great for street performance cars or drivers who want a little extra cooling and style, but they're not ideal for a heavy track use. Now, slotted rotors are a bit different. Instead of holes, they have grooves cut into the surface. What do those grooves do? Those slots help clean the brake pad surface, removing dust and gas buildup, and maintain strong, consistent contact. The pros are they have excellent stopping power under high heat. They have consistent performance in demanding conditions. They're great for trucks, towing, or track use. The cons are the pads can wear faster and there's slightly more noise during braking. These are great if you drive a heavier vehicle, tow, or push your car harder than average. For myself, I have slotted rotors on my Escalade because it's heavy and they provide the stopping power I need when I'm pulling my trailer. And then there's the combination, drilled and slotted rotors. These offer the benefits of both: improved heat dissipation and cleaner pad contact. They look great and perform well in spirited street driving, but for serious track use, solid or slotted rotors only are usually more durable. So a quick recap: standard rotors, smooth, quiet, reliable for everyday driving. Drilled rotors, better cooling, stylish look, and are best for light performance. Slotted rotors, strong and consistent, ideal for heavy-duty or aggressive use. Drilled and slotted, balanced performance for sporty daily driving. When it comes to choosing rotors, it really depends on how you drive. If you're commuting daily, standard rotors would be great for you. If you're towing, racing, or just want that performance look, drilled or slotted rotors might be the upgrade you're after. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and share. Subscribe for more quick breakdowns and tech tips.